I've been working diligently here on Little Mighty Mouse, getting things put back together now that we got the clutch spring swapped out. So, as you can see, we're back on the 32s. I got the front differential all back in, the front's all put back together. Engine's all put back together. Pretty much right now we're just working on getting all the interior stuff. This is just kind of sitting here right now. Gonna get this all bolted down, get our wires all hooked back up, put some oil in her, top off our diff fluid because I did put some in the front of a partial bottle, but I need to make sure to remember to check that before we go ripping and tearing. Topped off the coolant, so we should be good to go there as long as we got all the air bled out. Guys, just again, reminder, your early 500s, your 15s and 16s, your bleeder screw is right here on the radiator hose line that comes up to your thermostat. On the 17 and up models, your bleeder valve is actually on your thermostat. There will be like a little bump up here with with this screw right here on top of your thermostat. Just a heads up if you ever got to bleed the air system. But yeah, so we're gonna just keep trucking along here, get the rest of this put back together, and we'll see what a difference the EPI economy springs make. Alright, Mighty Mouse is all back together. We got the big old 32s on there. I went ahead and just threw the bench seat back in for time being because this is all coming apart again anyway. To do the turbo. I kind of wanted to see and to show you guys that you can still use at least 4-point harnesses. You can use 5 points if you made an anchor down here. But the harnesses do work fine with the factory bench. Again, I just use these Tusk harness retainers to keep these straps like that. But yep, she's all back together. Me and Torrin's gonna take her for a little ride and see how we like this new clutch engagement with these EPI economy springs.
What if you was born before she died?
All right. Uh-oh, I'm losing my... I don't need this at the moment anyway. There we go. All right, we can leave that off for time being. Oh, there I did my little tube box 2.0. Alright guys, so I am very anxious to see how the clutch engagement is with these economy springs. Oh, we're not going to go full harness for right now because I'm just going to be taking it easy. Wow, it feels funny to have the bench seat. I'll have to find out if I got all the air out of the radiator. Alright, we go, reverse. Well, I can already tell the difference right there in reverse. The battery's dying. It took a lot more gas to get the clutch to engage, but once it did, it took off a lot better. It wasn't strained. Oh, I think I'm gonna like that. Okay, I gotta get a new battery, but alright, fresh battery. Torrin's patiently waiting. Oh boy, look at that stance. I love this guy on the 32s. That looks just awesome. I kind of like the open too without the roof stuff on there. Alright, we got a fresh battery. Let's try this again. gonna go through the woods here and hit the hill. Smell my sloughed antifreeze. Taking more gas to get her going, but when it gauges, it's engaging a lot nicer. Seems to be better suited for these 32s. Oh, we're chasing deer! I better head back and call her a day before I ride too much. I think when combined with the turbo, it's going to be a spot-on setup. So I'll be interested to see in the long run how that works with the turbos and how it works just on regular riding. So far I'm liking it. I think it was a good upgrade. Torn, what'd you think? You didn't really notice any difference, did you? Nope. So I'll make sure to report back later on as I get some more miles on with these. Probably won't get a whole lot on before we're working on this turbo, but anyway, we'll be able to test them out good with that turbo. Another nice thing with these springs, increasing our stall as much as it is, that'll also allow the turbo to spool up more and give you a little more boost when you take off with it, so that should be a definite benefit. So I'll make sure to leave a link for these economy springs in my description below from EPI. Again, these were for a Foreman, I believe, but they work perfectly here for the 500, so you can click down below if you're interested in them. Don't forget, if you're looking for ways to support Appalachian mountain riders, you can check out my Teespring store for your merchandise, like this sweatshirt, howbeit a much cleaner one. Or you can support me on Patreon and get access to all kinds of bonus footage for as little as $1 a month. Different tiers will give you different things that I send to you, but all the bonus content you can unlock for as little as $1. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little install series. And until next time, I thought you were going to say keep on riding. Darn it! Mr. Bashful. You say it? Nope. Yeah. Nope. Nope. Yeah. Guess not. Keep on riding.